Hi everybody, like I always say, Namaskara everyone. Andariki Namaskaram, Ellargu Swagatam, and a very warm welcome to my own channel, that is Nabamita Ma'am Chemistry. Now, I have been seeing a lot of comments in my videos in this channel that Ma'am, I have achieved this percentile, that is 50 percentile, 60 percentile, 49 percentile, 98, 99 percentile, 97 percentile. What should I do next? So, this video is for everybody, and I am going to, divide this session in categories and tell you that what should each percentile segment must do. Apart from that, if you stay till the end of the session, then you will be getting a list of all the exams other than JEE mains whose deadline is coming up right in the next 10 to 15 days. So if you stay till the end, this will be beneficial for you. Right now, the question that has been in our head or that has been hovering over our head is that, ma'am, JEE means first attempt mein we have achieved low percentile. Now, what should I do? Should I start preparing for April attempt, because that is the main ambition? Everybody, all the students, they want to clear for a JEE, or they want to clear, JEE mains and appear and get their dream NIT college. Is that right, everybody? Yes. Or should I start preparing for other exams? So this particular question will be dealt with in this session, everybody. So let us begin with it without much further ado. Everybody, are you all ready? Now, the first thing that I want to let you all know, something that is mind blowing and something that is a slap on your face and a reality check. So take a look at this, everybody. The branches tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 NIT cutoff. What I am doing here is I am talking to you about the NITs of our own country and the cutoffs that they have. So if you want computer science branch, then you have to achieve 99 percentile. Yes, the competition is super high, everybody, and you need to understand that if you want a tier 1 seat, that is, Surathkal, Warangal, Rourkela, Trichy, and all of these are tier 1 NITs. So tier 1 NIT, if you want computer science engineering, you must get 99.4 percentile. In case of tier 2, it is a little less, but even then it is at 98.5 percentile, and for tier 3 you need 97.7 percentile. So did you snap out of the dream? Now you were thinking that, ma'am, if I get 80 percentile, is there a situation where I get into the NIT? No. You need to realize this. The competition is very, very high. The race has gone way too ahead. So if you are an 80 percentile, I understand that you have left Bharat ke, is desh ke, in India, this country that we live in, 80% of students are behind you if you are an 80 percentile. And that is something to be proud of. But guess what? This is the plight, or this is the fate of government colleges here in India. So you either need to be at 98, 99 percentile, because right now, when it comes to government colleges, we do not have a place for someone who is 80 percentile. That's sad, but that's the reality. What can you do? Anyway, moving ahead, if you want ECE, then 99.1 percentile, 97.7 percentile, and for tier 3, it is 97 percentile. For triple E, it is 99 percentile. For tier 1, for tier 2, it is 97.5 percentile, and for tier 3, it is 96.7 percentile. For civil, it is 97.1 percentile for tier 1. For tier 2, it is 96.2 percentile, and for tier 3, it is 96 percentile. Now let's come to mechanical, 98.1 percentile for tier 1, 96.6 percentile for tier 2, and 96.4 percentile in tier 3. And apart from that, if you belong to Samay Raina, if you have seen Samay Raina, you know that he has done what? What is it? Printing technology, right? So those are the other branches or the last branches. And even in the last branches, my dear students, you will only get through if you have 96.3 percentile in a tier 3 NIT. And when I talk about tier 3 NIT, I talk about NIT Manipur, NIT Mizoram, NIT Nagaland, not even NIT Silchar. NIT Silchar is a tier 2 NIT. Yes, and where is Silchar? Do you even know where is Silchar? Silchar is in one corner of Assam. I know because my parents belong to Assam. That's why I know. So this is the plight, everybody. Now do you realize, and now is it clearer to you that at what percentile you might get into NIT? Also, this is of course for general category. If you belong to any other category, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, then yes, things are a little different for you guys. For that, I'll make a separate video, but this is for a general category. Now, what will happen if you belong to the 95 to 98 percentile? So if you belong to 95 to 98 percentile, there are two options for you. Because you have got 95 to 98 percentile, that means you are qualified. You have cleared for JEE Advanced, right? You have qualified for JEE Advanced, so you can sit in JEE Advanced. If you want, what you can do is you can start preparing for JEE Advanced. You can start preparing for JEE Advanced. But if you really want to be that, no, I want to assure my seat in NIT first, and only then I want to appear for JEE Advanced, and only then I want to complete my dream of JEE Advanced, then you must go for JEE April attempt. Both of these options are very, very good, and both of these options you can take it. Okay. In case of other exams, now suppose you have achieved 95 to 98 percentile, and then you are preparing for JEE Advanced, but suppose it does not happen. Let's just say that JEE Advanced you are not able to clear. No problem. What you should do is you can always look at other exams like BITSAT. There is BITSAT. Your state entrance examination also is something that you can take a look at. You can also take a look at VIT Triple E. You can take a look at SRM JEE, right? So these are the colleges that you can take a look at if by chance, JEE Advanced does not happen. Now these are only options. So you should have options. It cannot be like all your plans are at, one basket. Don't do that, because if it does not happen, then you will not have anything else with you. Okay. All right. Now, suppose you belong to the 90 to 95 percentile bracket. If you have 90 to 95 percentile bracket, तो बच्चा, please कान खोल के listen to me very carefully. That means that you are not going to get a seat in tier 1, tier 2 NIT. Tier 3 NIT, if you have category, then maybe through home state quota and everything, you might get. But there is a big question mark. There is a, what did I just say? There is a big question mark for that, if you will get through it or you will not get through it. Yeah, so I don't think that, at this point in your life, you want to be a risk taker and you want to go through this. To play safe would be the ideal suggestion from my side, and I would suggest that you should go for JEE Mains April attempt. Yes, you must prepare, and with G Jaan, with all your heart and soul and blood and sweat and everything that you can put in, put all of that effort and go clear your JEE April attempt. And by clearing, what I mean to say is you must get 99 percentile. 99 or 98 percentile, you can get a tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 NIT. But at least tier 3 NIT, though, you should be able to clear, right? Is that right, everybody? Okay. All right. So this is the suggestion for 90 to 95 percentile. Now let's move ahead. Let me tell you those who have achieved less than 90 percentile. Yes. Less than 90 percentile, let's say that, 80 to 90 percentile, not beyond that. If it is beyond that, bacha, then you have to go for private institution, or you can target your state entrance examination, because, time is very less and I don't want to disappoint you, and let me tell you very truthfully that it is going to be hard. In this next 1 month, you had 2 years of time to prepare for JEE. In the 2 years of timeline, you could not do well for your JEE Mains January attempt. Chances are very, very low that from 60 percentile, you will get up to 99 percentile in April Mains. Yes, there are obviously outliers are always there. Someone who outstands somebody else, that is always there. Those are exceptions, right? But again, exceptions cannot be the main trend. So you need to understand that as well. So those who have achieved less than 90 percentile, you guys have again two options. Either appear for JEE April attempt. You cannot start preparing for JEE Advanced, because hey, you haven't even qualified for JEE Advanced. So start preparing for JEE April attempt now. You can increase, yes, from 90 percentile. From 90 percentile, you have a huge chance to go up to 98, 99 percentile. This can happen. But if you belong to 60 percentile, lot, then the chances are that you will be able to get up to 99.99 percentile. That is less. Unless and until, let's say that something really bad happened and you are not able to perform so well, that is a different story. But if you are at 60 percentile, that means your preparation was not on point. Yes, if your preparation was not on point, then the chances of you going to 99.9 percentile is very, very difficult. Okay, difficult. I'm not saying impossible, but try. Try your best for JEE April attempt. Once you get there at JEE April attempt, because yes, we have also seen students who do go. I have seen when during my tenure at Vedantu, I have seen students who were at 58 percentile, 68 percentile, and they have received 99 percentile in April attempt. So it's not like it does not happen. It does happen, but that 14 hours of effort, no, that you have to put. And that 14 hours you cannot sit on YouTube and watch a video. Please understand this. Please, 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 for God's sake, understand this. That is why, the fact that I have my own channel today, I can do this for you. Please understand that I have, today I have students who are studying in IIT Kharagpur. Just today morning I spoke to one student who is in IIT Kharagpur and he told me that, ma'am, I'll help you with your channel. His name is Tarun. I asked Tarun, have you ever watched 14 hours video on YouTube? Tarun, have you ever watched 11-hour video? Have you ever watched 12 hours videos in YouTube? He said, no, ma'am. In fact, in the last few days, I never even saw YouTube. Only if I had doubt in some place, only then I have watched some topic. Nothing else I have watched otherwise. So you tell me, you really think that that's a marketing strategy? It's a game. It's a great game, and you all are going there. 14-hour video just one day, 2 days before your exam. It is never going to help you. You know what helps? Just please talk to the toppers, and they will tell you that it is always the self study that is going to help you. And I, as a teacher, I can clarify a concept for you. I will be taking sessions, I will be solving problems here as well, but I'm sorry, I am not going to follow that 14 hour, 12 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours. It does not happen like that. Be it the YouTube game that I might fail, but I don't want to give you false hopes and tell you that 14-hour session, if you watch, you're going to go to IIT. No, no. 14-hour session is going to build up your confidence. You will think you know everything. But the moment you sit and you start preparing or start appearing for mock test, no, that reality will, come like a wrecking ball on your face and all your dreams will be shattered. So please listen. Believe you me that I am telling you, your self-study is the only thing that is going to get you there. All right. Moving ahead now, let me tell you what are the private colleges and the government colleges that you can aim for. Private, you know that we have always been hearing that BITSAT, VIT, EEE, SRMJ, NACT. This is started by Scalar Institute, and this is more inclined towards the new jobs that are coming up in the market. For example, you have Power BI and data analysis, and you have data scientist and all of these. So you can take a look at those. All right. But now when we talk about the government colleges, in the government colleges, you have CUET, WBJE, MHT, IIT, NEST, state entrance examination. But again, my suggestion will be that please try and take a look at your state entrance examination. Try and take a look at MHT, WBJE, CUET. All right, CUET has not released their information brochure yet. They have not released their date of application and registration yet. So hold on, I will let you know about that as well. Yes. Now let me tell you everybody all the list. Okay. I will also tell you those examination for which the date has crossed already. So you have Comet K, which is coming up on 15th March. Manipal, you have 15th March. VIT EEE 31st March. UGEE 23rd March. EMCET first week of April. IIT is 15th of April. EMCET AP is 15th of April, SRMJ is 16th of April, BITSAT is 18th of April, UPES is in April sometime, we don't know the clear date yet, NEST is 9th May, CUET is May sometime. SRMJ you have in 6th June, SRMJ 3 is on 13th June. Now those exams for which the date has already passed, but maybe please take a look at the website. There are times when you can pay a little bit of late fee and you can still enroll yourself. So MHT CET was on 15th of February. You all were celebrating your Valentine's Day, but you forgot that MHT CET date came and it went off also. WBJE was on 23rd of February and KCET was on 24th of February. So this is the whole exam list. If you want, let me know in the comment section that you want PDF, and only after that I'll be sending it to you in the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is also in this, just below this video in the description box. Just please go to my Telegram channel because you will get the notes, you will get everything. And in this channel, what I am going to do for you, everybody, let me tell you the plan in this channel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do 30 minutes, under 30 minutes, yes, under 30 minutes concept videos, under 30 minutes concept videos. All right, and apart from that, 100 questions marathon. 100 questions marathon we will be doing in this channel, okay? And those questions will be from 2017 PYQ, 2018 PYQ, 2019, 2020 and 2021 PYQ, all right? Apart from that, I will also give you never seen questions, okay? Never seen questions that has not been tested by NTA yet, okay? Never seen questions by NTA, never seen questions that NTA has not tested yet. Those are the questions that I'll give it to you as homework. So every day you will get 50 questions homework, because that will be your DPP, that will be your daily practice paper. Yes, and I will give you the solutions in the Telegram channel. The questions PDF, you will get it just below this video in the description box. So subscribe to the channel, make sure that you stay tuned to it, and make sure that you like this video if it was beneficial for you. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. With this note, thank you so much. I will not take more time from you. Yes, and yes, like I said, don't forget to click on the bell icon, because now this particular channel is only for IIT JEE and NEET students as well. This will be your one-stop solution for everything related to 11th and 12th. All right. With this note, lots of love and tara bye bye. I'll see you later, guys.